Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel DIY with Madika. Today we're going to make vanilla custard and custard powder 5 teaspoon, sugar half cup, chocolate strawberry cake, or milk. I have used 1 liter and I also add 1 cup extra. So first we're going to make a paste. So here I'm using 1 cup milk and I mix it in the custard vanilla powder to make a smooth paste. And in the meantime I have put milk for boiling on the medium flame, and I'm adding sugar. So sugar you can add depending how many you need it. And I'm adding vanilla custard powder now, and I'm going to mix it for a few seconds and make sure that there are no lumps in it. So you have to keep stirring until it boils. And now it is ready, and then you can keep it aside for cooling for 2 hours or 1 hour. And now I'm going to make a topping, just a little bit decorating, like extra tasty and flavor as well. But you can use any sponge cake you like. So this is the only thing that I'm going to use for now. And when you're using topping, do not forget chocolate sponge cake or brown, because it gives a unique taste. Wow. So if you try it, so please share it on my Instagram, Madika Iqbal, and I would like to see how you made it. And in case you're new in this channel, please do subscribe and comments below if you can, and share it with your friends and family. And now it is ready to serve. Besides, here it's summer in PK, so you're gonna need nice and tasty dessert for lunch or for dinner. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Allah Hafiz.